Carrie, eat some food for mommy.
You eating cereal, buddy?
Brody.
Look at you, big girl.
Yeah.
Kara, are you eating cereal?
Yes.
Yes. Look at you. You're using your spoon so nice. Big girl.
Okay.
Where do you like your cereal, bud?
He does. Boop.
Brody, say hi.
Brody, look up at mama.
More.
Carrie, can I help you?
You're eating pretty good, bud.
Can I help you? Look.
Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy.
No problem, baby.
Elmo, we'll watch Elmo after you eat.
We gotta eat first.
Kara.
Brody.
Kara, are you eating cereal? Hey. Okay, we'll watch Elmo later. Are you eating your cereal?
Brody ate all his. Yeah.
Dora.
You want Dora now?
Dora.
What do you need, honey?
Dora.
You want your juice?
There.
Oh, you want more cereal? Okay. All right,
What?
mommy, get it.